Welcome to Scholarnetics 360. Our platform is designed to make connecting scholars with mentors effortless and impactful. In this very brief video, we want to walk you through how to make the most out of Scholarnetics 360. And we want to do that so you can start building meaningful connections today. So let's go ahead and get started. After you log in, you are greeted with your dashboard, a nice, simple dashboard that keeps track of all of your analytics. The first thing that we want to talk about are your notifications. Your notifications come in many different shapes and forms, and keep in mind that these notifications do go to your registered email, and we may send you internal notifications from time to time, letting you know of platform updates or any other bugs that we have fixed as well. Most importantly is that we understand Scotty's role. Scotty is our AI chatbot that helps connect you with the mentors that you are looking for. For example, in this situation, I asked for a mentor that has experience with musculoskeletal injuries. Scotty went ahead and looked at all of our mentors and gave me the best matches. Now you can see here that I have a trophy for the best match based on my inquiry. And inquiries can come in any shape, form, length, or language. Scotty may just prompt you for a few more questions for clarity. Now, once you are here, you can look at the profile of any individual. You can see the profile of a person, of this mentor right here, or we can go back to Scotty and look at our best match. Now, before we look at our best match, just keep in mind that we also can look at other mentors as well. They might not be our best match, but we can still see the top 10 mentors that we matched with based on our inquiry. So, Pankaj is one of our developers, and he is amazing. He has a 100% response rate. He usually responds within 1 hour. He has 8 years of experience as a PT educator, right? And so we're going to look at his profile. We look at his profile. We're looking at everything, and we're like, we want to connect with this guy. So we can send a chat request. Now, after we send the chat request, you're able to actually open the chat. Using the chat function is very important because you can figure out if the mentor that you've been matched with is a good match for you. Remember, we are offering you the power of choice. I think Pankaj is a great match for me, so I'm going to look at his profile. And here is where I can schedule an actual meeting. I can type in what I want to work on. I can look at his schedule and his availability, set the duration, whether it's 15 or 30 minutes for right now in beta phase. And then we can confirm that appointment request. And then Pankaj can confirm it. And then eventually we can connect through a video conference. Scotty is very, very powerful. He can connect you and find mentors with any sort of inquiry that you place. If we don't have anybody for that specific inquiry, we'll still find you the best match. As we go to your settings, you can look at your personal details here. As you build your profile, you can always click on view profile so you can see what your profile looks like, what you've added, and what other mentors are going to see when they can see your profile. If you go to your account, you can set your notification preferences right here. Everything's going to go to your email for the time being. And then looking at your time zone, make sure that you set your time zone. Otherwise, all users by default will be set as Eastern time zone. Be sure to spend some time and look at the refer and earn terms and conditions. As a scholar, if you refer other scholars, we will give you 50% off your first month subscription once we launch, and we'll give the scholar 50% off as well. These are stackable. If you refer 12 scholars, you will have 12 months at 50% off once we do a full launch in the fall. Now, keep in mind that we will keep track of everything, but these perks are going to only be available once we do our full launch sometime in the fall. You can copy your referral link. You can send them an email. You can send them your QR code. The more people that you refer, the more benefits that you will have once we do our full launch in the fall. As we go back to our dashboard, you can pull out the menu bar. You can see here what you have, whether it's your chats, appointments, or anything of the like. If we go to your appointments, you can see this calendar view right here. You can change it to work week. You can change it to day. You can even search appointments. You can filter depending on which days you want to look through. You can do a list view if that's what you like. Whatever you want to do with the calendar is up to you. You can see your scheduled appointments, your requests, your past appointments, everything of the like. A feature that we really like is the note feature, where you can type in your own notes, create your own notes based on specific interactions. Perhaps it was a note that something you want to talk to your mentor about, or notes based on the interaction you had with a mentor as you continue to learn. And you can keep everything right here. You can go to your notes. You can see your saved notes. You can even create folders and start dropping your notes into those folders as well. Thank you for joining us on this very brief walkthrough of the Scholarnetics 360 platform. I really hope that you're excited about the endless possibilities that this platform offers. And just remember that if you ever have any questions or if you ever need any support, We are here to help you. We respond quickly. Send us an email, send us a chat, whatever you want to do, either through the help button right here or go into the actual feedback and support. Send us a message. We'll get right back to you. We cannot wait to see how much you like connecting with mentors from all across the country. Take care.